Hey folks, welcome back to DIY Net. Got a quick tool unboxing for you. Went through the Black Friday racks over at Home Depot and picked up a couple things. So this is one of them. This is a impact socket adapter, and what these do is they allow you to use the impact gun to drive your socket, so you work on the car or whatever. These are handy to have. I have a set of the short ones. Actually, it was kind of a junky set. I think I got it at Harbor Freight, but I don't have the longer ones, and this was only about, I think it was about $7, so I thought I'd pick it up. So let's get this open. Not a heck of a lot to it, but thought you might want to see it. You might not have been aware that you can use the use your impact gun, to drive sockets when you're working on various things. So we've got short, quarter, 3/8 and ½ inch, and long of the same. So what you do is, if I can get it out of this thing, there's a little holder for it. I'll probably end up chucking that out, but they fit right in your impact gun like this. And then you can put the socket on it, and then if you want to take nuts or bolts out or put them back in, for fasteners that don't have a high torque setting on them, something that the impact gun is creating enough torque to break loose, this is very handy because it speeds things up. So you can just go in there and pop it out, and it's good to have both lengths because there may be some situations where the shorter one works better for you, or the longer one. And these are Husky, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. And they did, I don't know if that was absolutely necessary, but they did put on there the, I don't know if you can see it or not, the, they did indicate which drive size it is, so it says 3/8 on there. Hold on to the socket pretty good. So just a little set. Didn't really need it right this minute for anything, but since it was cheap, I think it was like $3 or $4 off, I just thought I'd get it. I'd stick it in the with my mechanics tools, and once in a while it'll come in handy. So thanks for watching as always. Thanks for subscribing, and take care. We'll see you next time.